Hi, thank you very much for sparing us some time. First, introduce yourself and tell us a bit about your role.
This is Shanthi Nachiappan. I'm Principal Data Quality and Data Governance Manager at BT, the consumer arm of the business. And it's my responsibility to look into the data quality and the data governance of our complete data platform, make sure that it is more reliable, it's accurate, for our senior leaders to make that key decisions. So it's a very huge, important role that I play, surrounded by data day in, day out.
So that must place you in an interesting position vis-a-vis GenAI, which is just generating even more data for you, right? So tell me about how that's impacting your work.
GenAI, the high buzzword, the frequency word. So it has made lives of our data engineers. We have rolled out Copilot, we have rolled out Code Whisperer. It has helped them a lot, from 6 hours to 6 minutes of the workflow and the pipeline orchestration and pipeline observability, looking into the data quality, spitting out the data quality rules automatically. So these are some of the use cases that we did. And with regards to the customer data, we did, I worked at our customer service, looked into their pain points of logging into 10 different systems to get a customer 360, and so came up with a little POC to solve their problems using GenAI. How about it spits out, these are the 10 customers who are about to churn in a week's time, and you give them a call. So that was possible using GenAI and the data, the high quality data which it needed.
So that predictive part, which we are seeing as a significant play in initial usage of GenAI. Thinking a little bit beyond that, we are in a world where GenAI is starting to impact all over the enterprise. Can you imagine, or what are you seeing as the new needs that enterprises may have as a result, and what kind of technology stack or parts of that stack you're seeing a need for emerging right now?
Oh, fantastic question. Thank you. Doing a small POC again here. So looking into how we can build agents so that it can automate, so that our data engineers and the data analysts are freed up to do some more important job, rather than looking into the process flow, which takes 6 hours or 8 hours of the day, or maybe a week in some cases. So how can we use this technology? So in the POC, we are using a little bit of graph technology, which gives the actual context and relationship to the different entities in the graph model. So that could be fed to any LLM models. So a suite of LLM models which is available, and within that we want an agent, like an agentic approach, so that we have multiple agents doing, for an outcome you might have to do 4 or 6 different processes, and you need agents. So multi-agent, how they communicate to each other and how they retrieve the RAG patterns. So this would be the solution architecture of the modern enterprise architecture with GenAI and AI use cases.
So can you imagine that's something beyond what we understand as orchestration at the moment? Is there something more than that?
So obviously all these LLMs are on the hyperscalers, right? So we need the data to be in the cloud. And then some of these graph providers are kind of partnered with the hyperscalers. So you have the graph database and the vector database. So create your graph model and use the Vertex AI or Bedrock, and create your agents using Llama Index or LangChain. You have so many others coming up in the market. And this is very evolving, emerging market right now. Everybody is testing. There is no proper solution. So different LLMs have different, it could be used for different use cases or different outcomes. So everybody is testing right now.
Thank you.
Cheers.